What are some soups that are good for heart health? Heart health is very important, as heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. According to the World Health Organization, cardiovascular diseases are responsible for about 31% of all global deaths. Eating a heart-healthy diet can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease, and soups can be a great addition to such a diet. Here, we will explore some soups that are good for heart health and explain why they are beneficial. Watch until the end for additional tips for heart-healthy soups. Soups that are good for heart health. 1. Vegetable soup. Vegetable soup is one of the healthiest options for your heart. It is made from various vegetables like carrots, tomatoes, celery, and spinach, which are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients help lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation, both of which are important for heart health. Additionally, the fiber in vegetables can help lower cholesterol levels. Recipe tip: use a little salt and fresh vegetables to make your soup even healthier. 2. Lentil soup. Lentil soup is another excellent choice for a heart-healthy diet. Lentils are rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients like potassium and magnesium. These nutrients help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. The fiber in lentils also helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels, which is important for overall heart health. Recipe tip: add plenty of vegetables and use a little salt to keep it heart-friendly. 3. Tomato soup. Tomato soup is rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. Tomatoes also contain vitamins A and C, which are good for heart health. Consuming tomato soup regularly can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation in the arteries. Recipe tip: opt for fresh tomatoes and avoid canned soups that may contain high levels of sodium and preservatives. 4. Chicken and vegetable soup. Chicken and vegetable soup can be a heart-healthy option if made with lean chicken and plenty of vegetables. The lean protein in chicken helps build and repair tissues, while the vegetables provide essential vitamins and minerals. This combination can help lower cholesterol levels and maintain healthy blood pressure. Recipe tip: remove the skin from the chicken to reduce fat content and use low-sodium broth. 5. Bean soup. Bean soup is a source of heart-healthy nutrients. Beans are an excellent source of protein, fiber, and antioxidants. They help lower cholesterol levels, regulate blood sugar, and reduce inflammation. Taking bean soup regularly can contribute to better heart health. Recipe tip: use a variety of beans and add plenty of vegetables for extra nutrients. 6. Barley soup. Barley soup is another good option for heart health. Barley is rich in soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels. It also contains important vitamins and minerals like magnesium, potassium, and vitamin B6, which support heart health. Including barley soup in your diet can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Recipe tip: combine barley with vegetables and lean protein for a balanced, heart-healthy meal. Additional tips for heart-healthy soups. 1. Use low-sodium broth. High sodium intake can raise blood pressure, so it's best to use low-sodium broth or make your own at home. 2. Add plenty of vegetables. Vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, all of which are important for heart health. 3. Choose lean proteins. Opt for lean meats like chicken or turkey, or plant-based proteins like beans and lentils. 4. Avoid creamy soups. Cream-based soups can be high in saturated fat, which is not good for heart health. Instead, use broth-based or tomato-based soups. 5. Limit added salt. Use herbs and spices to flavor your soups instead of adding extra salt. Incorporating these heart-healthy soups into your diet can help you maintain a healthy heart and reduce the risk of heart disease. Remember to pair these soups with other healthy lifestyle choices, such as regular exercise and avoiding smoking, for the best heart health benefits. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more content.